Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best pink paper backdrops is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching tools a photographer can add to their arsenal, offering a soft, vibrant, and universally flattering hue that can instantly elevate any portrait, product shot, or creative concept with a touch of playful elegance and a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes subjects pop and scenes feel alive. Number 5. Kate 6 FTX 9 Feet Beige Photography Backdrop. Elevate your photography with this premium beige backdrop. Its solid cream color provides a clean and balanced look, perfect for any professional studio setting. Crafted from high-quality microfiber, this backdrop is soft, durable, and lightweight. The seamless design ensures a distraction-free, professional appearance for your shots. Maintain its pristine condition effortlessly. It's machine washable and can be easily ironed at low temperatures to remove any wrinkles, ensuring it's always ready for use. Setting up is a breeze thanks to the convenient rod pocket. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to transport and set up wherever your photography takes you. From portraits and product shots to video production and live streams, this backdrop is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for a wide range of photography and videography applications. Please note that this package includes only the beige photo backdrop. A backdrop stand is not included, so be sure to have one ready for setup. What we like. This backdrop offers a premium, seamless fabric that ensures a professional look. It's also machine washable and lightweight for easy use and maintenance. If you are looking for a versatile and durable backdrop for portraits, studio work, or video production, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, not easily torn or creased. The color is a vibrant and true pink, perfect for creating a cheerful atmosphere. It lays flat without any curling, making setup quick and easy. Number 4. Huamei Seamless Photography Background Paper, Carnation Pink. Introducing our seamless photography background paper in a beautiful carnation pink. It's the perfect heavyweight paper for all your photo needs. Measuring 53 inches wide by 16 feet long, this backdrop offers ample space for any creative endeavor. It provides a clean and professional look every time. Crafted from high-quality material, it resists wrinkles and creases. This ensures a smooth and flawless surface for your shots. Beyond photography, use it to create stunning theatrical sets, eye-catching visual merchandising displays, and memorable special event environments. Achieve professional quality results with this premium backdrop. Its solid color and durable construction make it a reliable choice for any project. What we like. This heavyweight paper backdrop is designed to resist wrinkles and creases, providing a smooth surface for your shots. Its generous size makes it suitable for a variety of applications. If you need a large, reliable paper backdrop for creating sets, displays, or general photography, this carnation pink option is a great pick. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, not easily torn or wrinkled. The color is a vibrant and true pink, perfect for creating a soft and dreamy aesthetic. It lays flat easily and doesn't have any creases or folds that show up in photos. Number 3. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Compact Kit. Elevate your product photography with this easy-to-use kit. Create clean, consistent images with a variety of realistic backgrounds. Spend less time editing and more time creating. This all-in-one kit transforms any desk into a professional photo studio. It sets up in about a minute, providing a stable shooting environment for your products. Explore numerous shooting possibilities with realistic textures like wood, stone, and concrete. It's perfect for flat lays, front view shots, and engaging social media content. Whether you're an online seller, blogger, or content creator, this kit is designed to help you create stunning e-commerce listings and captivating social media visuals. Enjoy a smooth, glare-reducing matte surface that's easy to clean after every shoot. When you're done, it folds away neatly for simple storage. Measuring just 16.5 by 11.7 inches, this compact kit is perfect for small workspaces. It includes a carry bag, making it easy to take your studio anywhere. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience, offering 20 realistic backgrounds in a compact, foldable design. It sets up in about a minute, making it perfect for quick shoots. If you are an Yoocheese creator, online seller, or small business owner who needs to create clean, consistent product photos with minimal fuss, this tabletop studio is ideal. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, not easily torn or creased. The color is a vibrant and true pink, perfect for creating a cheerful and energetic mood in photos. It lays flat without any curling, making setup quick and easy for studio use. Number 2. Huamei Seamless Photography Background Paper, Ivorine. Elevate your photography with our heavyweight, solid color paper. It's designed to resist wrinkles and creases, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Beyond photography, this versatile paper is perfect for creating stunning theatrical sets, captivating visual merchandising displays, and memorable special event environments. Measuring a generous 107 inches wide by 36 feet long, it provides ample coverage for any project, big or small. Experience the difference of high-quality paper that delivers a seamless, professional look for all your creative endeavors. Crafted for durability, it stands up to repeated use, maintaining its integrity and smooth surface. You can rely on it for consistent results. Achieve the perfect backdrop for your photo shoots or displays. Its smooth surface and rich color make your subjects stand out. What we like. This extra-wide, heavyweight paper backdrop provides a seamless surface for professional results. It's ideal for creating theatrical sets, visual merchandising, and large-scale photographic backgrounds. If you require a substantial, high-quality paper backdrop for extensive projects or studio use, this ivorine color is a fantastic option. What people say. The pink paper backdrop is a great size for portraits. It's a vibrant pink color that really pops in photos. The paper is thick and doesn't tear easily, making it durable for multiple uses. Number 1. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set. Introducing the Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set, designed to make your product photography stand out. Achieve professional-looking shots with ease. This set includes 6 double-sided backdrops in 12 vibrant colors, perfect for a wide range of small products. From jewelry to food, find the perfect look. Each backdrop measures 22 by 34 inches, offering ample space for creative tabletop and flat lay photography. Showcase your items from any angle. Go beyond basic black and white. These textured backgrounds provide the flexibility needed for online sellers and creators to produce stunning e-commerce photos and social media content. Setting up is a breeze with the included tabletop T-shaped stand. Easily switch between upright shots and overhead flat lays for versatile styling. Crafted from laminated paper, these backdrops are simple to wipe clean after use. They are practical for various photography needs, ensuring a fresh look every time. What we like. This set provides 12 vibrant colors on laminated paper backdrops, offering great flexibility for different product aesthetics. The included tabletop stand makes setup a breeze for front view shots. If you are a food blogger, jewelry seller, or content creator looking for a variety of colorful, easy-to-maintain backdrops for tabletop photography and flat lays, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, not easily torn or creased. The color is a vibrant and true pink, perfect for creating a cheerful atmosphere. It lays flat without any curling, making setup quick and easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.